Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of affordable audio with the BESTGOT BT6002 wireless headphones, designed specifically with kids in mind, but also suitable for adults. These come in a fun white and pink color combo, which is what we're looking at today. Right out of the box, you can tell these aren't your top-of-the-line studio headphones, but for the price, they feel surprisingly well-built. They're lightweight at just over 6 ounces, which is great for little heads, and the foldable design is perfect for tossing in a backpack. The ear cups are covered in a protein leather that feels pretty soft, although I'm curious to see how it holds up over time, especially with kids using them. They claim to have a closed-back design for better immersion, but it's not a perfect seal. This means some sound leakage is possible, especially at higher volumes. The manufacturer even recommends taking breaks every hour or two for comfort and to let your ears breathe, which I think is good advice for any headphones, really. Now, let's talk about the important stuff, sound quality. For the price, these are decent. Don't expect mind-blowing audiophile-level performance, but they're perfectly adequate for listening to music, audiobooks, or watching videos. The bass is a little on the weaker side, and the highs can get a bit tinny at times, but the mids are clear enough. Remember, these are budget-friendly headphones, so managing expectations is key. One of the standout features is the impressive 18-hour battery life in wireless mode. That's plenty of juice for even the longest school day or road trip. And if the battery does die, you can always plug in the included 3.5mm cable and use them as wired headphones. This dual functionality is a huge plus. Bluetooth pairing was quick and easy, thanks to the helpful voice prompts. The connection remained stable during my testing, even when moving around a bit. The built-in microphone works well for calls and voice chat, but remember, it only works in wireless mode. They also boast Siri compatibility for hands-free calling, which is a convenient touch. Now, a quick word about noise isolation. These headphones are passively noise isolating, not noise canceling. This means they'll block out some ambient noise, but don't expect them to completely silence the world around you. Honestly, for this price point, passive noise isolation is perfectly acceptable. Overall, the BESTGOT BT6002 wireless headphones are a solid choice for kids or anyone looking for an affordable, portable audio solution. They're not perfect, but they offer a decent listening experience, a long battery life, and a durable, foldable design. If you're on a tight budget and need a pair of headphones for everyday use, these are definitely worth considering. Just remember to manage your expectations in terms of sound quality. They're good, but they're not going to replace your high-end headphones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.